In this session, we shall begin with parallelogram. So here is the diagram of a parallelogram. The parallelogram has its opposite sides equal, which implies that if this is A, then this is also A, and this is B, then this is also B. What's the formula for calculating the area of a parallelogram? The area of a parallelogram is calculated by multiplying the base times the height. Here is the height of the parallelogram. So here is the first formula. We have another formula that can be used to calculating it, which is AB sine theta, which implies that we have to find the area of the parallelogram and we are not given the height. We can actually multiply the two sides by the sine of the angle between them. Let's begin by solving the first question. Calculate the area of the parallelogram. Both sides are 6 centimeters and 12 centimeters long with included angle 60 degrees. Based on this question, the formula we can use here based on the parameters given is the area is equal to AB sine theta. Then we say if these are the two sides of the parallelogram, then 6 times 12 sine 60 degrees. So we have 6 times 12 as 72, sine 60, which is root 3 over 2 times root 3 over 2. Then we get 36 root 3 centimeter squared. So that is it for this question. Find the area of the parallelogram ABCD with height BX equals 11 centimeters, CD equals 8 centimeters, and BC equals 13 centimeters. So the diagram has been constructed already for the question. We have BX as 11, we have CD as 8, and BC as 13. Based on the question of the parameters given, the formula we are required to use is area is equal. The formula we are required to use is area equals base times height. Since the angle between these two values is not given, so how to solve it? Say 13 times 11, which gives us 143. 13 times 11, which gives 143 centimeters square. Now let's look at the properties of triangles and parallelogram on the same base and between the same parallels. The first principle: triangle on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. Let's take that again. Triangle on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. What does that imply? If you have two parallel lines like this, we have two parallel lines here, and we have two triangles like this on the same base. We have another one here as well. We have another triangle here. Oh, sorry, I need to make this well aligned. So, for these triangles now, when we lie on the same base, lie on base CD. Oh, sorry, lie on base CD. Based on the rule here, it states the triangle on the same base and between the same parallel are equal, and we have these parallel lines here, which implies that the triangles are equal in area. The area of triangle ACD is equal to the area of triangle BCD. So we have the height E here. So that is it. Now let's take a question on this. So in the diagram below, PS is parallel to RQ. PS, line PS is parallel to line RQ. If RQ, the length of RQ is equal to 6.4 centimeters, okay, and perpendicular PH is 3.2 centimeters, find the area of SQR. So we have to find the area of SQR, the area of SQR, and we were told that this PH is 3.2. Oh, sorry, I need to write this. 3.2 centimeters, and PS RQ is equal to 6.4. RQ 6.4, PH is 3.2, and we have to find the area of SQR. We've learnt that triangles lying on the same base and between the same parallel are equal in area. Thus, the area of triangle SQR, the area of triangle SQR. Oh, let me write this clearly. It's not very clear. The area of triangle SQR, which is this SQR, which we have to find, is equal to the area of triangle RPQ, because the triangles lie on the same base between the same parallels. RPQ. So how do we solve a question like this? For triangle RPQ, since we have its base RQ as 6.4, which is the base here, and we have the height as 3.2, so we can definitely obtain the area of this triangle PQR by making use of the formula. So if you understand triangles, the link for the video will be dropped in the comment section, so you can click on it and watch the video before you return to this point. You will understand how to calculate the area of a triangle. So let's proceed. If area will be equal to of PQR, of area of PQR, or let me write of PQR, area of PQR will be equal to half base times height. That's 1 over 2 times the base here, which is 6.4, times height, times the height here, which is 3.2. So we get 10.24 on calculations, 10.24 centimeter square. So based on the rule given, we learned that the area of SQL will be equal to the area of PRQ will be equal to the area of SQL. So here is our final answer. So let's take a pause here. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.